My dear students, in this video I am explaining level 3 classwork questions. In this one, first question is the line 3x minus 2y is equal to 24 meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. The perpendicular bisector of AB meets the line through 0, minus 1 and parallel to x-axis at C. Then C is first. You should remember, you should understand the question carefully. So given the line 3x minus 2y is equal to 24 meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Okay. After that, the perpendicular bisector of AB, that means after finding A, B points, we have to find out the perpendicular bisector of AB. This meets the line, which line? That line through 0, minus 1 and parallel to x-axis. That means perpendicular bisector of AB meets the line passing through 0, minus 1 and parallel to x-axis at C. So perpendicular bisector meets the line parallel to x-axis and passing through 0, minus 1 at C. Then find the point C. That is the question. First you draw the coordinate axis and find the x-intercept and y-intercept. So x-intercept is 8, y-intercept is minus 12. So you know how to find x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay. So this is the x-intercept is 8 means positive x-axis, y-intercept is minus 12 means negative y-axis. It is the line equation 8, 0 passing through 8, 0 and 0, minus 12. And there is one equation that is parallel to x-axis and passing through 0, minus 1. So this equation is nothing but very clear. The line which is parallel to x-axis and passing through 0, minus 1 is nothing but y is equal to minus 1. Where any point, the line which is passing through x-axis and the line which is parallel to x-axis and passing through some h, k, then that line equation is nothing but y is equal to k. Take y coordinate only. So y is equal to minus 1, this line equation. So now perpendicular bisector of this point AB line segment, perpendicular bisector of AB intersect the line y is equal to minus 1 at the point C. Then he is asking to find out the point C. Okay. So first 3x minus 2y is equal to 24. Here x-intercept is equal to 24 by 3. Actually, so true 24 transpose this side or take y is equal to 0. Then what you get there, that is the x-intercept. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 24 by 3. 8. Y to get y-intercept, x is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 24 by 2. So it is equal to minus 12. So we got A, B points 8, 0, 0, minus 12. So to find perpendicular bisector means these two are, that is, it is the midpoint and that is perpendicular to AB. Okay. So first we find slope of AB and midpoint. So slope of AB is equal to that is very clear. Slope of AB is nothing but slope of the given line only. Okay, that is minus 3 by minus 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. So slope of perpendicular bisector of AB is nothing but perpendicular slope, that is minus 2 by 3, reciprocal with minus. So midpoint of AB is nothing but 8 plus 0 by 2 and 0 plus minus 12 by 2, that is equal to 4, minus 6. So perpendicular bisector of AB equation is nothing but, that is passing through 4, minus 6. This point is 4, minus 6 and slope is minus 2 by 3. So y minus y1, y minus of minus 6 is equal to, slope is equal to minus 2 by 3. So m is minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1, that is equal to 4, that is x minus 4. So y plus 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 4. If you simplify, you get the line equation. So 3y plus 18 is equal to minus 2x plus 8. So simplify 2x plus 3y. 18 minus 8, that is equal to 10 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y plus 10, this is the line equation, and this line equation is y is equal to minus. If you solve these two line equations, that is nothing but point C. So already we got y is equal to minus 1. So the line parallel to x-axis and passing 0, minus 1 is y is equal to minus 1. So just use y is equal to minus 1 only. So solving these two means substitute y is equal to minus 1 in this one. So that gives x value. So this y coordinate minus 1 and what you get x value, that is x coordinate. Okay. So that is the required point C. So substitute y is equal to minus 1 in y. So 3 into minus 1 plus 10, minus 3 plus 10, that is equal to 7. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to minus 7. So x is equal to minus 7 by 2. So y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 7 by 2. Therefore the required point C is nothing but minus 7 by 2, minus 1. Next question is, the square of a side A lies above the x-axis and has one vertex at the origin. the side passing through the origin makes an angle alpha where 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4 with the positive direction of x-axis. The equation of its diagonal not passing through origin is. Once again, a square of side A lies above the x-axis and has one vertex at the origin. The side passing through the origin makes an angle alpha. Okay, so this is the coordinate axis. If you draw, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So the square, let us consider, actually it is not exact square. So just imagine it is the square of the side length they given A units, and one of the side passing through origin. So let us consider this is one of the side passing through origin means so adjacent side also passing through origin only makes an angle alpha. This is not more than 5 by 4, that is less than 5 by 4 only. So this is alpha. Okay, with the positive direction of x-axis means like this. So this is alpha. Then the equation of its diagonal not passing through origin. So this is one of the diagonal, and actually it is less than 5 by 4 means actually it should be right side of y-axis, but it is rough diagram only, so no problem. So this is one of the diagonal, and this is one more of the diagonal. So he is asking to find out a diagonal of this one. So very clearly the vertices we can say by using symmetric form. So this is the point 0 comma 0, and this is the inclination alpha, very clear. So this length is A. So 0 comma 0, and we are going to finding the vertex. This is the vertex. Okay, let us consider this is O, A, B, C. So we are going to finding AC. Okay, so point A is nothing but apply symmetric form. Here x comma y is equal to x1 comma y1, 0 comma 0. You take this is x comma y, no problem. Upper side, if you want to find out upper side or lower side, no problem. Anyone you can find by using same formula. So it is considered some 0 comma 0, already we know. So we are going to finding this point. So what is the formula? X is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta. So it is positive direction from origin, so you take positives only. So it is x1 is 0 comma 0. So 0 plus here r means a, so 0 plus a cos alpha, comma 0 plus a sin alpha. So 0 plus a cos alpha means a cos alpha, yes, 0 plus a sin alpha means a sin alpha. Okay, because of this inclination is alpha. So now what about this inclination? So this inclination is nothing but, what is that? It is already alpha. So angle between two adjacent sides is 90 degrees. Okay, so total this inclination is this one. So then what it becomes to 5 by 2 plus alpha. Okay, so same point 0 comma 0 and length is a units. Then what can you say? 0 plus a cos 5 by 2 plus alpha, comma 0 plus a sin 5 by 2 plus alpha. Here inclination is 5 by 2 plus alpha. So just remember until complete the trigonometry, cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Sin 90 plus theta, 5 by 2 means 90. So sin 90 plus theta means cos theta only. So by simplification this one, what can you say? Minus a sin alpha, this becomes to a cos alpha. So now we got 2 points, two edges of the diagonal, which we need to find out. Okay, so if you know the 2 points on the line, you can find the equation of the line. So AC line equation is nothing but, the equation of the diagonal is nothing but y minus, I am using this formula x1 comma y1 as y minus a sin alpha is equal to, slope is a sin alpha minus a cos alpha by a cos alpha minus of minus a sin alpha, that is plus a sin alpha. So y minus a sin alpha is equal to a sin alpha minus a cos alpha by a cos alpha plus a sin alpha into x minus a cos alpha. Okay, so this implies y minus a sin alpha is equal to, if you take numerator a common, denominator a common, a get cancelled, sin alpha minus cos alpha by cos alpha plus sin alpha into x minus a cos alpha. So this implies y, transpose this side, y into cos alpha plus sin alpha, separately I am writing, minus a sin alpha into cos alpha plus sin alpha is equal to sin alpha minus cos alpha into x minus of a cos alpha into sin alpha minus cos alpha, separately I am written. Okay, so this implies y cos alpha, y into cos alpha plus sin alpha. So if you transpose this x term this side, then what becomes to, it becomes to negative. So negative multiply inside, so sin alpha becomes to negative, cos alpha becomes to positive. Then x of cos alpha minus sin alpha is equal to, here already we have minus a cos alpha sin alpha, minus into minus plus a cos alpha a cos square alpha. If you transpose this side, this becomes to positive only, a sin alpha into cos alpha plus a sin alpha cos alpha, a sin alpha a sin square alpha. So these two get cancelled, and here if you take a common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is 1. So we have only right side a only. So answer is y of cos alpha plus sin alpha plus x of cos alpha minus sin alpha is equal to a. Did you understand this concept, all of you? So if you didn't understand, once again I am explaining. For suppose, already symmetric form in previous video I explained. For suppose, it is the point some x comma y. This point may be here or here, no problem. On the x-axis also we can just apply the same formula. Okay, it is the point x1 comma y1. Okay, to find this form, if you know that r, this is alpha, so x is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos alpha, y is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin alpha. Because of this x1 comma y1 plus or minus y, you are getting this x1 comma y1 is here or here with the same distance, x1 comma y1. This is also r units. Okay, from this point you can get 2 points with r unit distance. So that's why you are using plus or minus. If you want to take positive direction, take plus. If you want to take negative direction, take minus. Okay, so that means if our point is here to required, x comma y is here, x1 comma y1 is here, then you apply same formula, no problem. Here x comma y is here, that means required point. This is a known point, same formula apply. If it is x comma y is here, it is unknown point. If known point x1 comma y1 is here, that is for that also we should apply same formula. Okay, that is x is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Okay, same formula, symmetric form. Already I explained it a symmetric equation, symmetric form of the equations in straight lines starting. Okay, just remember. Next question is, a particle is moving in a straight line and at some moment it occupied the positions 5 comma 2 and minus 1 comma minus 2. Then the position of the particle when it is on x-axis is. A particle is moving in a straight line and at some moment it occupied the positions 5 comma 2 and minus 1 comma minus 2. Then the positions of the particle when it is on x-axis is. For suppose, actually this is wrong direction, this line equation. So this is the coordinate axis you take. Okay, a particle moving in a straight line. This is the straight line. Some moment it occupied the positions 5 comma 2 minus 1 comma minus 2. That means a straight line which is passing through 5 comma 2 minus 1 comma minus 2, that is required. So 5 comma 2 is here, minus 1 comma minus 2 is here. So this is the straight line. On this straight line one particle is moving. Some moments where in one position is minus 1 comma minus 2 and another position is 5 comma 2. Let us consider. So what he is asking means, if that particle is on x-axis, what is the position he is asking? Okay, on x-axis means like this. That means indirectly he is asking find the x-intercept of this line equation. That is only he is asking. Okay, so first you find the equation of the straight line, that is apply the slope 2 points form. So that means y minus 2 is equal to apply x1 comma y1 as this one, y minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 by minus 1 minus 5 into x minus 5. This implies y minus 2 is equal to, so minus 4 by minus 6 means 2 by 3 into x minus 5. So this implies 3y minus 6 is equal to 2x minus 10. So 2x transpose this side, sorry, 3y transpose this side, 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 transpose this side, minus 6 plus 10, that is equal to 4. Okay, therefore x-intercept is equal to, so 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 means x-intercept is nothing but take y is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 4, that means x-intercept is equal to 4 by 2, so that is equal to 2. So the position on x-axis is nothing but 2 comma 0. So after finding x-intercept, so this is 2, then this becomes 2 comma 0. This is the way to find out the problems. Remaining problems I can explain in next video.